Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for products on the Oysho application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on this search button down below, which is the second option, and click on the search products search bar at the top of the screen. Then type in the name of the product that you are looking for, and here you can see the available results. Tap on the relevant one and you can check out the attached pictures. As you scroll down, you can see the description, composition, care, and every relevant information. So that's how you can search for products. And as you tap on this third button down below, you can also search by categories. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.